Hello friends, welcome to the complete Kali Linux course. In this course, we'll learn how to use Kali Linux from basic to advanced level. First of all, you probably already seen the previous videos in this series. In the first video, I explained how to install Kali Linux and set everything up properly. And let me tell you one important thing. If you haven't watched my MS-DOS or command prompt basics course, then this course may feel difficult for you. In that course, I explained everything from absolute beginner level, step by step. In this Kali Linux course, I am not going to explain things like what GUI or CUI means. Here we'll directly start with the basic commands of Kali Linux. So let's begin. The first command is cd, which stands for change directory. Before that, let's look at the ls command. The ls command is used to list files and folders. For example, ls. This command shows all the files and directories in your current location. Now suppose I want to move to the desktop directory. I can type cd desktop. Now I'm inside the desktop folder. That's how the change directory command works. Next command is man. If you remember from the command prompt course, this works similar to a help command. It shows the manual and usage information for any command. For example, man ls. Now you can see all the usage options for the ls command. ls means list directory contents. There are many options available, and a shows hidden files that start with a dot. L shows files in long listing format with dates and permissions. You can scroll through all the available options. There are many of them. To quit the manual page, press Q. Now let's see how LSA works. When you type LSA, it shows all files, including hidden files that start with a dot. If you type only ls, then hidden files will not be displayed. Now let's look at lsl. This command shows detailed information such as file permissions, owner, size, date and time. You'll notice letters like D for directory, R for read, W for write, X for execute. We'll learn more about permissions later. Now, if you want both hidden files and detailed view together, use ls all. This shows hidden files along with all details like creation date and permissions. Next command is clear. This clears the terminal screen. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus L, which does the same thing instantly. Now let's talk about command history. You can use the keyboard up and down arrow keys to see previously used commands. This is very useful when working in the terminal. Next important command is pwd. To understand it better, let's check its manual. Man pwd. Pwd means print working directory. It tells you your current location in the terminal. For example, pwd, it may show something like home Kali, meaning you are currently inside the Kali users home directory. Now, if I move to desktop, cd desktop, and then type pwd, it will show home Kali desktop. So now you know exactly where you are working. You can also check the calendar using Kal and check the current date using date. Now let's learn how to create files. We use the touch command. For example, touch gk.txt. This creates a new text file named gk.txt. You can open and edit it manually or directly from the terminal. To edit files in the terminal, we use nano example nanogk.txt. Now the file opens in the nano text editor. You can type anything inside it, like hello. To save the file, press Ctrl plus O, then press enter. To exit nano, press Ctrl plus X. Now, if you want to see the file contents directly in the terminal, use cat gk txt. It will display hello. You can also create files directly using nano without using touch. For example, nano pk txt. Type something like hi, then save with Ctrl plus O, enter, Ctrl plus X. Now the file is created successfully. To check its content, cat pktxt. You can also display multiple files together, cat gk txt pk txt, and both file contents will appear together. So these were some very basic Kali Linux command that every beginner should know. Practice these command properly and try editing files on your own. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching this class.